Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting the Economics Time newspaper headline. So, first of all, steps to push private investment, capex support on budget agenda. Next, SMBC Bank Octree submit EOIs for IDBI's strategic stake sale. Next, India confidence valid as it grows amid global woes. Next, new calendar for official data. Next, Cognizant looks to get its mojo back under new CEO's watch. Next, efficiency focused deal to help offsets delays, says HCL Tech MD. Next, business confidence hit 2-year high in October December. On page number 2 in pure political section under that, Joshi math areas examined amid uptick in cracks. Next, halt work halt works affecting town Badrinath head priest. Next, two more hotel lean today towards each other. Next, New Delhi hopes Bhutan will factor in Indian concern on three junction. Next, Lanka banks on India has China dithers. Next, Sat Sak Tank to Doklam, the Chinese push. Next, cannot decide on my own. Whatever party decides, I do. Shivraj Singh. Has cyber threat escalates G20 an opportunity to diverse security plan. Then on page number 4 on pure political section under that, central teams to inspect midday meal scheme in West Bengal schools. Next, BSP to go it alone in assembly Lok Sabha polls Mayawati. Next, 15 opposition parties red flag RVMS question EC silence on EVM concerns. Next, AEP Trinamool absent JDU joins ranks. Next, National Urban Tech Mission for Municipal Services soon. Next, Maha Congress still in disarray as BJP tries to poach young leaders. On page number 5 in companies section under that, Lodha Terraform gets new to market Sobo project. Next, Reality Fund Management Co-MT K Capital rises rupees 350 crore. Next, completed homes jump 44% in 2022, says Anarok. On page number 6 in economics time market section under that, inflation is the biggest threat today and central banks have to do a little more to bring it down. Next, a decisive close above 18,100 can help Nifty break out to 18,250. Next, Treasury bond investors are at a crossroads with Fed pause in sight. On page number 8 in my smart investing section under that, mutual fund shuffle banking and fin portfolios pair exposure to large cap IT stocks. Next, Bank of Baroda chief executive Sanjeev Chadda gets extension. Next, phased opening of FPIs. Next, global domestic demand uptick. Next, Sri lenders to start voting on resolution plans from today. Next, not ready for large IPO. Next, promoter betters NARCL's full cash offer for CCCL. Next, public offer under consideration. On page number 9 in disruption section under that, agri-tax trim teams rework these models in funding winter. Next, Cognizant look to get its mojo back under new CEO's watch. Next, logistic management co LOSAD rises $11 million. On page number 10 in the edit page section under that, IT shows global market connect. Next, make our children live long and prosper. Next, cannot count on those who count trains. Next, unlock a bigger public pie. Next, walk like a camel. Next, benchmark gun to the mutual fund head. Next, budget less tax higher interest. Next, road safer and greener. Next, a clarification. Next, get prosperous at cruise speed. On page number 11 in around the world section under that, 5 Indians among 68 dead in Nepal air crash. Next, US CDC appoints Indian origin Dr. Nirav Shah as second in command. Next, Meta, Microsoft vacate office has remote work, lays off happen. Next, Cognite won tender to sell spyware to Myanmar. Next, Amazon HR staffers turn from hiring to seeking jobs themselves. Next, China's 2022 growth seen has its lowest in 40 years. Next, WHO appeals to China to release more COVID info. Next, huge sanctions are looming for the fuel that powers the world. Next, Lalit Modi names son successor beneficiary in KK Modi Family Trust. On page number 12 in brands and companies section under that, NCLT approves Mahindra Electric Mobility's plan to merge with Mahindra and Mahindra. Next, Atoco seeks to boost electric gear localization. Next, inter-band spectrum sharing unlikely to find many takers. Next, Public's SAPNet will continue to expand India's OPS. Next, demand for financing schemes set to surge as smartphones get costlier. Next, back on track. Next, Mumbai Oncocare rises $10 million from Tata Capital Fund. Next, Norway's state-owned firm Norfund invests rupees 500 crore in Delhi SAEL. Next, IPL 2023 will advertising slowdown play spoil sport. On page number 13 in startup and company section under that, efficiencies focused deal to help offset delays in Europe. Next, staff rewards now come in a voucher. Next, soon switch camera mode on WhatsApp. Next, space industry 6 PLI scheme tax incentives. On page number 14 in economy section under that, calendar rejected GDP nods to be released after budget. Next, budget architects. Next, business confidence hit 2-year high in October December. Next, eligibility criteria. Next, global banking resilient. Next, eye on economic growth. On page number 15 in economic time Pinache section under that, the soap opera mess tentating the US soccer team. Next, forgotten 400-year-old painting goes on auction. Next, Abramovich trust reorganized before Russia sanctions. Next, the art of feeling happy when others succeed. Next, Virat Kohli become fifth highest run scorer in ODI. Next, Qatar's AI Atiha wins Dakar Rally for fifth time. Next, Mahindra Rising began new Formula E season with Pondelum in Mexico. Next, Ethiopia Lemi Hymanot set course record. Next, Nadal faces tough test in Australia Open. On page number 18 in the Economics Time newspaper, in that proposal to ease FPI norms for NRIs back on the table. Next, Joshi math areas examined amid increase in cracks. Next, I will do whatever party decides, says Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Next, opposition parties oppose EC's remote EVM proposal. Next, IPOs delayed as Dalal Street stays volatile investor bearish. Next, T Muske may picks 33% more in Manipal Health to become majority stakeholder. Next, Norfund picks up stake in SAL. Next, Sri Lander to start voting today on resolution. Next, CCL promoter challenges NARCL offer. Next, Chat GPT unlikely to user in any teacher tech tip. Next, best foot forward. Next, more consumer internet firms joins layoff wave. Next, Cisco add $1 billion of masala to top line in FY 2022. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.